We'll start by preparing our greens. We want to wash them and dry them and get them into the refrigerator to crisp them. Salads are best when the greens are dried and crisp and cold before you add your dressing. If the greens are too wet, the dressing will not cling to the salad and you'll have a kind of a wet, lumpy salad. So the first thing we'll do is remove the leaves, and you can either pull them off like this. This is a real sandy head of lettuce. You can either pull them off like that, or you can cut them off with your knife. Sometimes especially with a romaine, you can just make one cut at the bottom, and it releases all the leaves. On this particular head, that's not true. So we'll just pull our leaves off and completely soak them in water. You want to soak those leaves so that all the sand is released. Okay. Now, what you would do over the sink is that you would just run each leaf under the water to make sure that all the sand is removed from that. And to dry it, you can either put it into a colander, fit it into a bowl like this after you wash each leaf. And you just simply rinse each one, letting the water drain down the leaf. And if you did this over the sink, you would just be running the water down the leaf to remove all the sand. And if you're putting it in the colander to drain, you want to set the leaves upright like this so that the water will run down into the colander.